Monkie playing hockey with me. Passing the ball to Dad. You're being old crazy cat. All right.
We chose Connections Academy, a free online public school.
My teachers understood how I learned, and Mom kept me on track.
And we're going in for the score. And it's a miss. And it comes back. Score! And we're going left and right. Score!
So the Covenant House did that for us.
I think about Covenant House every day because without Covenant House life, where would I be?
Please,
Score!
don't turn away. Let them know you care. Call or go online to showthemyoucare.org.
Score!
I'm Adam, and I run a construction company.